Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's lesson is about English alphabet and sounds. If you are a beginner or if English pronunciation feels confusing, this video is for you. We'll keep everything simple, clear, and easy to follow. Let's begin. The English alphabet has 26 letters, from A to Z. These letters help us read English, write English, speak English. We use capital letters like A, B, C, small letters like A, B, C. Capital letters are used at the beginning of sentences and for names. Small letters are used in everyday writing. English letters are divided into two groups. First, vowels A, E, I, O, U. Every English word has a vowel sound. Examples: apple egg, ice orange umbrella second. Consonants. The remaining 21 letters are consonants. Consonants work together with vowels to form complete words. Now let's talk about English sounds. In English, one letter can have different sounds. For example, the letter C. In cat, it sounds like K. In city, it sounds like S. This is why English pronunciation feels difficult. But don't worry, this is completely normal. You don't need to learn difficult phonetic symbols. The best way to improve pronunciation is listen carefully, repeat words aloud, practice a little every day, even 10 minutes daily is enough. The English alphabet is used everywhere, in schools and books, on mobile phones and computers, in social media and messages. People from different countries use English to communicate with each other. That's why learning alphabet sounds is the first step to speaking English confidently. Here's how you can practice every day. Read letters aloud. Listen and repeat simple English words. Watch pronunciation videos. Practice speaking for 10 to 15 minutes daily. Be consistent. Small steps bring big results. Learning English alphabet and sounds builds a strong foundation for your English journey. For more simple and step-by-step English lessons, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.